How to use Lusha or Apollo. So first things first, go ahead and log into Apollo. I'm currently logged in, as you can see, and this is the dashboard. Now, of course, they give you free credits. You can go ahead and use them. I have a decent amount of credits left. Now you go ahead on Lusha and you want to click on this option right here. This says install extension. And this will open up a new tab on the Chrome Web Store. Come here and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension when this pops up. And then this will go ahead and add your extension. As you can see, it is downloading. And now it is right here. Right click on this. We can pin this to my Chrome. Now, open up Apollo. And this is what you want to do. Okay? Go to prospect and search. Let's search for people. And you can put in filters. So let's, you can have a persona as well if you had created that. So right now they have about 178.9 million potential people we can go ahead and access. Okay, let's filter this down. Okay, let's get it down to location. Let's do we'll do people in Mississippi, right? Can type that in. Mississippi, United States. Put that in there. And that should really filter people down. So select that. And now we only have 243,000 people. Remember, you can only extract 500 people at a time. So we need to go ahead and get this down even more. Now let's pick an industry. So let's scroll up and we are going to look for the industry and keywords. So right here we have the industries. Of course, you can choose AI filters as well. Now come here, choose company keywords, select, for example, construction, right? That's a keyword. And then that would bring the search results down even more. Now it's sprucing up my records. Now it's only 14.2 thousand people. For example, now we can see we have Alexandra, we have Joey, we have Kelly, head of marketing. Of course, you can also go ahead and select their specific job title as well. So come here. Let's say you want people in the purchasing department, right? Come here, click on job title for the drop down. And of course, if you want to go ahead and extract these with, Lusha, what you'll need to do once this is loading up, you see Lusha right here, click on Lusha, this extension we had pinned earlier. So when you click on it, you will see these options that show up, right? What you need to do is click here. Click on Lusha everywhere. So you're going to enable this on all the different websites and you'll get this pop-up. Go ahead and click on allow. And now let's do a job title, for example, manager. We'll do manager. You can do project manager as well. So now let's look for the managers in the construction industry in Mississippi. Now we're down to 2.8 thousand people. Now you just go ahead and choose which people you want to get contacts for. For example, Joe Morgan, I can select these and then you can go ahead and export these, right? Or you can push to CRM or ATS and then you can connect your CRM tool, for example, Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, or you can directly email them or add it to a list and of course also export them. So if you want to export them, just come here, click on export right here, and then you'll be able to see the total selected records. They have one verified email that we can get. So I'll go ahead and press on next right here. So only one of these emails are verified from these three contacts. Now you can export this as a CSV, and I will only export, let's just export all the emails and then go ahead and click on save. And it should basically start downloading immediately. So come here, click on agree terms of service. Okay, I'm saying basically I'll comply, and each verified email costs you 1 credit. Okay, of course they give you free credits, so you can go ahead and use those to extract, contacts, leads. And there we go. It should be right here under saved, of course. Now, what you can also do, guys. So, for example, let me open this up in a new tab. We have Jonathan McDaniel. So if I open this contact right here, let's see if he has a LinkedIn profile, and it's still loading up. And I'll show you another person as well. So if I come click on total, so what we need to do right now, let's let this load up. Let's go back and see how Jonathan is doing. Has this not yet loaded up? So let me pause this for now. Let's wait for these to load up. Okay, there we go. Let's do Mark right here. I'm going to open up Mark in a new tab, right? Let's open him up. Let's also open up Joe Morgan in a new tab as well. Let's see how these guys are doing. All right, let's see Jonathan. Jonathan, here is his LinkedIn profile. I'm going to go ahead and open this up in a new tab, and I'm going to show you how to extract now using Lusha. Okay, so it's loading up Jonathan's LinkedIn profile, and you will see right here at the top right, you should see an option that says Lusha. Right, the extension is still loading up because it's the first time we're doing this. And here you go, Lusha is showing up here. So go back to LinkedIn and wait for it to show up. Now, if I come click on Lusha right here, you'll see Jonathan McDaniel's details. So he has his email address, phone numbers. So I can come here, click on show contact. And here we get all these details. You can, of course, add it to a list, right? We have outreach right here. You can save it, or you can create a new list as well right now. And then now it's saving this contact. You can also attach it to your CRM platforms. They have a bunch of CRM platforms to choose from. And it's really easy and simple, guys. You basically just go ahead and repeat the process.